Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create Canva template to sell on Etsy in 2023. If you're a creative entrepreneur looking to monetize your design skills, selling Canva templates on Etsy can be a fantastic opportunity. So let's dive right into it and explore how to create or the process of creating eye-catching and marketable Canva templates that customers will love. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Or do you prefer if you have many browsers? And before even starting, it's essential to define your niche. So, or even theme or for the Canva template that you want to create. This will help you attract the right audience and set yourself apart from competitors. Then, take some time to research the current market trends and popular design styles related to your niche. Understanding what customers are looking for will give you valuable insights for creating some successful templates. Then, of course, we'll have to start by setting up your Canva account. So, if you don't have already a Canva account, you'll have to sign up for one. Canva offers both free and premium plans, but for more advanced features and flexibility, consider subscribing for Canva Pro. So you can go to this URL section, example, simply type canva.com and hit the enter button and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, of course, you'll have to go and create an account for yourself, as we said, and make sure to even go and get for yourself the premium plan if you want to get more professional. Because this, as you can see, Canva Pro will give you all those features. So as you can see, 100 million premium photos, videos, and elements, and 3,000 plus premium fonts. And as you can see, a lot of other features, including like 1 terabyte storage. So, and of course, you can even cancel anytime. So, as an example here, once you have your account, you can start designing your template. So, with your niche and markets research in mind, begin designing your Canva template. Of course, Canva provides a user-friendly drag and drop interface, making it easy to add elements, text, and images. So, as an example, I'm just going to click on Create a Design at the top right corner. Once I do so, as you can see, we have here suggested design. So is it a dog design or whiteboard, a YouTube shorts, Instagram post, depending on whatever suits you. As an example here, let me just go and choose it's, I don't know, it's maybe a YouTube shorts. Why not? So let's say that's the design that we want. So here, as you can see, we have this drag and drop feature or interface, which will make it easier for us. So an example, as you can see, we have here a lot of things that we can use. Let's say an example, I want to use this. So simply you can drag and drop it here. And as you can see, it will be added to your Canva here. And you'll be able to add some element to it, as you can see. So we have lines, shape, graphics, stickers. You'll be able to add. So photos, as you can see, will require Pro. Not every photo, just a lot of them. And other than that, you'll be able to add even videos. As you can see, small videos on the screen, depend on however you want as example. So let me just make it small. As you can see, you can add even other videos on the screen. And of course, you'll be able to add audio to it. So just go and drop it here and it will be dropped, it will be added to the timeline as an example. And you can always play the video, preview how it's going to show. And as example, this video, you can duplicate it, you can delete it, you can go and do whatever you want with it. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to add some charts, some tables, frame, grids, Black Business Month, collection, a lot of other stuff that you can use from here. You can, other than that, add some text, some headings, some subheading, and some font combination if you want to. You can even add text to add a page, or simply here from here you'll be able to add some brand hub, especially if you have the Canva Pro. Here you'll be able to upload your images, your own images and videos and audios. You can even drag the media here to upload or connect an account. If you have like Facebook account, Google Drive account, Instagram account, and Dropbox account, you can get the images, the videos, and even the audios from there. Or you can simply upload it from your PC. From here, as example, upload files, and even record for yourself if you want to record right here at the moment. And you can always go and add it here. Other than that, you'll be able even to draw on your video however you want. As you can see, different colors, different shape, depending on whatever suits you. You can even go and delete them if you don't want to. And of course, here on the projects, you'll find just the project that you've done before, and you can save this project as an example. You found this here, so you can add this projects here always. And here in the apps, of course, you'll be able to download some apps which can help you. There's some AI apps that is could help you at the moment, especially like the text to speech, and those can help us a lot. As you can see, popular, we have here some a lot of apps that you can use. So for you, of course, simply you'll have to focus on customizability. So ensure that your templates are high customizable and offer various colors, option, font choice, and image placeholders to allow like buyers to personalize the templates on their liking. So you can go and make a lot of versions, and you can change simply just the colors of the version one from two, adjust the font or something like that. Make sure to even create multiple sizes and formats. So to cater to different needs, design your Canva templates various size and formats. Consider even offering like templates for social media, graphics, presentation, print materials, and more. After that, of course, you can optimize for mobile users if you just create like a template for just the desktop users. And after that, of course, you will have to test your template. So before finalizing your templates, thoroughly test them to check for any errors or inconsistencies. And this step is crucial to ensure like a smooth user experience for your customers. After that, of course, you can create some professional thumbnails images, design eye-catching and professional thumbnails images for your Canva templates, because thumbnails are the first thing potential buyers will see. So to make them visually appealing and representative for your templates, make sure to go and create a creative ones. You should put some effort in that. After that, of course, you'll have to set your pricing strategy. So decide your pricing strategy based on like factors such as the complexity of your template, the time invested, and the value they offer to customers. Be competitive, but don't undervalue your work. After that, of course, you will have to simply go and create your Etsy shop as an example. So if you don't have one, you can go and check one of our videos in this channel on how to create an Etsy shop. And then of course you'll be able to go and list your, as an example, go to listen here. You'll be able to click on add the listen at the top right corner and make sure that you have your listen on digital, and make sure to upload the templates right here, and you will be good to go. So congratulations if you reached this point of this video on completing this tutorial on how to create Canva templates to sell on Etsy in 2023. By following these steps and infusing your creativity, you are well on your way to building a successful business selling digital products. Remember to stay consistent and listen to your customer feedback and continuously improve your design. So best of luck with your Etsy journey and templates creation. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.